Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro or any of the iPhone you got. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is my iPhone 17 Pro Max that comes with dual nano SIM card slots. And that's why I got two nano SIM cards here to show you how to insert them in your device perfectly. Depending on your region or model, you might have just one physical SIM card slot on your device, but the method is going to be exactly same. So first of all, make sure that you got this SIM card tray ejector pin along with these nano SIM cards. After that, you need to locate the SIM card tray slot. You need to find something like this. On the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's on the left side of the device, on the left side of the frame. Once you locate this SIM card tray slot, all you have to do is insert this pin into this tiny hole here and apply a bit of pressure like this, and it will pop out. Now just take it out, and now you just need to follow the shape of this slot with this SIM card we got here. So just align it with the shape of the slot, and you can see it's fitting perfectly here. You can do the same for the another SIM card slot as well. Put the second SIM like this. Make sure it is fitting perfectly in the slot. As you can see here, both of these SIM cards are perfectly fitting in the slot. Now all you have to do is put this tray back in the slot here. Keep one thing in your mind, that you need to align the hole here with the hole of the tray. So put it like this, as you can see, and then apply a bit of pressure and it will fit perfectly, as you can see. Now here at the top, you can see the SIM cards are being detected, and you can see a new mobile plan has been detected. The signal is coming for the one of the SIM. I'm just going to cancel this, and now you can see that the SIM cards are being detected perfectly for both SIM 1 and SIM 2. So this is how you can insert the SIM cards on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any of the iPhone you got. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.